Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. 60 students sat a math exam. The mean mark for 32 students in Class A was 55. The mean mark for 28 students in Class B was 52. Find the mean mark for all 60 students. And since we know that mean is simply total divided by quantity, total being the marks that they get, we have to combine the total marks and the total students in order to find the total mean. So we can actually rearrange this equation, multiplying both sides by quantity. So we can find out that total is simply quantity times mean. So the total for Class A is the quantity of students, which is 32, times the mean, which is 55. And that means B is 28 times 52. And since we have to combine A and B as our total, we can actually just write that here, 32 times 55 plus 28 times 52 over our new total. So that is 60. And we can put this into a calculator to find our answer, which is fraction 32 times 55 plus 28 times 52, which is then divided by 60. We get 53.6. 53.6. And we know this is correct because when you find the mean, you're finding the average, and the average cannot be less than the minimum, and it cannot be greater than the maximum. And since our average is between that, we know we are correct. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.